Hi, my name is Zoe. I'm here today again with another product, and I'll also include a link for you to access all this information I'm seeing here so you could read it and have a further understanding. Do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. I really appreciate that. And I hope you are safe and having a fantastic day. And what does PageDyno? What is PageDyno? This product creates awesome looking attention grabbing lead capture pages in just a few clicks of your mouse. Landing pages and pop up so fast you'll probably need a cape. So there's some live demo below. Yeah, so when you're using the link that I send, you'll be able to access this information. It will be included in the link that I am sending to you, yeah?
Welcome to PageDyno. This is a quick video demo while we're in beta to show you how cool this new platform is and how you can start using it today to ramp up your list building. Okay, to create a new page, just log into your dashboard, then click on the...
Okay, so it will all explain, everything will be explained to you further.
Create new page link.
Because what I don't want to do is just to give you too much information. I'd really like you to have a read of it yourself as well. I'll send the link to you so you'll be able to see exactly what I'm seeing, so you'll be able to have access to the information. And did you know that in addition to being super simple to use, the video background landing pages built with PageDyno can also help to establish trust, which in turn drive higher up in conversions. You can use a video background to show your product, your services, even your manufacturing processes, and lots more. And it's all point and click simple. Yeah, it's here. And the other built-in stuff as well. As I said, you will have, when I send the link for you to access, you will see exactly what I'm seeing here. So then you'll be able to have a look. Yeah. You look at the benefits here. Okay. There's a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. Yeah, so this is more subscribers in less time. Grow your email list faster. Page building perfection at warp factor 10. They have all the information here. And these are the integration. These are the autoresponder integration. Yeah. Yes, all the information is here. Okay. Thank you for taking the time to listen to the information about PageDyno. Please remember, I'll put a link in here so you'll be able to access all this information that I have just talked you through. Thank you very much, and thank you for your time.